Hello, my name's Reverend Rosemary Hill and I am Assistant Curate in the parish of Penarth and Llandaff, and I'm also one of the organisers at Faith Tent at Pride Cymru. So this year, as always, we have a really eclectic mix of events. We have Ian Lloyd from St Taylor's Church in Wales High School to talk to us about inclusive education. We have the Quakers coming in to run a session on prayer, and we have, as always, our Pride Eucharist. This year is presided over by Reverend Sarah Jones from St John's in the city centre. We have a wonderful worship band called Blessed Sacrament. We have Will Moore from BBC Wales's Young Welsh and Pretty Religious, and part of our all-age programme is also to have 3 sessions throughout the day of clean comedy with Bella Tempest reading drag queen story time. I think it's important for the diocese to be here because it shows those of us in the LGBTQIA community who are of faith that we are welcome in the church, and also that the diocese is changing, that the church in Wales is changing and becoming a more welcoming, inclusive and diverse space. Just like there are many LGBTQIA people, both lay and ordained within the church, so there are many people of faith within the LGBTQIA community, and it is so important that we as people of faith within this community demonstrate the love and welcome of God to all.